News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, beautiful sky, albeit a little cool outside, and it's been a windy day, so it's just kind of a blustery March feel to it. But those cumulus clouds are fading away, the winds are diminishing, and that's going to lead to a cold night. In fact, we're looking at a freeze pretty much area-wide, and tonight there'll be some frost around because the winds will go calm. We had a breeze last night. It was 34 here at the station. It'll be 31 tonight with frost developing. Now, it will turn warmer and certainly drier. This does not look like a real wet pattern over the weekend or into next week, but there will be at least a few scattered showers and storms late Saturday into Saturday night before the low 80s come in for a couple of days next week. But it looks like that next system after Saturday, it is slowing down per model data. So it looks more like it's going to be a Wednesday type event rather than a Tuesday night one. And we may even have a few showers lingering early next Thursday. Tonight, 30 Burlington, 30 Frankfort, 31 Lafayette, Attica, Pine Village, and Fowler. I think most vegetation will do fine. The issue will be is if you put out tomatoes early, most people haven't, but if you put those out early, those could get burned by the frost and the freezing tonight. And on any fruit tree, it just may thin out a few blossoms. I don't see this being a really big deal for that tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. The winds crank up from the south and southwest. Warm, 67, finally normal in Lafayette. 67 Romney, 65 Burlington, 64 Logansport, and about 68 at Covington. Even Saturday looking pretty good, but the clouds thickening up. Dim sun, 67 Rochester, Monticello to 66 at Romney. Clouds a little thicker in our southern county, so it went just a hair cooler there. Clear skies tonight. There's 4 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow mostly sunny. Now this is edging towards 1 p.m. You'll notice some high thin cirrus coming in later on in the day, and then tomorrow night kind of a partly to mostly cloudy sky, so temps only falling into the 40s. But Saturday, this is 8 o'clock in the morning, dim sun, partly to mostly cloudy skies through the afternoon. Not a bad day per se, kind of breezy, and then at least some scattered showers and a few storms will kind of pivot in from the southwest as we get into late Saturday evening and Saturday night. But Sunday looks dry, 73, 81 Monday and Tuesday, with storms possible on Wednesday. And then we see the rain slowly come to an end on Thursday with highs in the 50s. Now, in terms of rainfall amounts, Saturday night, a lot of places are going to get a quarter of an inch. Some places may get perhaps 4/10, half an inch. And then once we get into next week, we may see some places get a half to 1 inch out of that, the way it looks right now. So no big flooding rains, but unfortunately, it's a little bit of rain in that forecast, but the 80s look good.
Yeah, the 80s look good, but then we dip back into the 50s.
Yeah, then you
What's
get a few
happening
days.
here?